Any idea of this slide? How many of you have got the idea of the public-private hybrid? Few hands. So let us take this and a little. What is cloud? एक रूम है जिसके अंदर सारी रिसोर्सेज भर गई हैं और उसे हर कोई एक्सेस कर पा रहा है. अभी तक हमने ये डेफिनेशन पढ़ी थी. When we deploy it, we say that there are three types of clouds. There can be n number, but basically we say there are three types: public, private and hybrid. Public क्या चीज होती है? प्राइवेट क्या चीज होती है? जो आपकी अपनी है. हाइब्रिड मिक्सचर. The same is with the cloud. Public cloud, anyone can access. Like Gmail, है ना? आप लोग एक्सेस कर रहे हो. Although when you make your own login, it becomes private for you. It is secondary thing, but the service is open for all. Facebook, the service is open for all. Private cloud, if for this SRMS college, you make your own cloud, put all the infrastructure, and you put all the software and hardware in that cloud, and you say that only the SRMS students and faculty can access this cloud, it becomes a private cloud. No one outside from SRMS can access it. It becomes a private cloud. Private cloud is used for an organization for himself. An organization uses a private cloud for its own boundaries. No one from outside can access the private cloud. But a private cloud is a costly matter. Therefore, when security is required, we use a hybrid cloud. What we do in hybrid cloud, whatever secure data is there, we put in the private cloud. And whatever the critical data is not there, we put it in the public cloud. Clear? The difference between private, public and hybrid? Shall we move?
So please give the example of hybrid cloud.
Give the example of hybrid cloud. Example in the sense, bache, suppose, say, you implement a private cloud for SRMS. Okay? Now you say that the nodes which you are putting can be accessed by any of the student of Bareilly. So you will put the nodes in the public domain, and your marks and confidentiality in the salary structure you will put in the private part. So it becomes a hybrid cloud. Clear? Any more doubt? The same things. Public, private and hybrid. Public is third party, multi-tenant cloud. There can be n number of tenants and available on subscription basis. Is this picture visible? The first picture on the left hand side. What is it? The same type of seminar. Now can anyone answer it? Why I have put it in a public cloud? Photograph. What is the relationship, similarity? Technically there is no similarity. Means this is not something which is cloud is doing. But there is some similarity. What is the similarity between public cloud and this?
The data is being shared to everyone.
Data is being shared to everyone. Very good. Something more?
So one person is delivering the data and everyone gets it.
Everyone grabs that data. Very good. This is something, a technical view from brilliant students are coming. Now, suppose to make it a more humorous view, technical चीज बिल्कुल सही बताई. जैसे मैं यहाँ पे आया, a third party person's car, है ना? And he talks to you. मैं आप लोगों से बात कर रहा हूँ और फिर चला जाऊँगा. So public cloud, you are using the infrastructure of the third party. आप use कर रहे हो, pay कर रहे हो, खत्म कर रहे हो. Private cloud, you manage the infrastructure yourself. आपके घर पे ट्यूशन पढ़ाने आ रहा है, प्राइवेटली सिर्फ आप ही को पढ़ाएगा, किसी और को नहीं पढ़ाएगा. इट बिकम्स अ प्राइवेट. पर सिरदर्दी किसकी होगी? आपकी होगी. उस टीचर को बिठाने की, उसके लिए रूम खोलने की, है ना, सिरदर्दी आपकी होगी. इसी तरह प्राइवेट क्लाउड में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मैनेज करने की सिरदर्दी आपकी होगी. पब्लिक क्लाउड में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप लोगों की कोई दिक्कत नहीं. थोड़ी बहुत दिक्कत मैम को ही, है ना, मुझे यहाँ तक बुलाने में, इस सब चीजों में, वो भी बहुत कम हुई होगी खैर। So that is the beauty of public cloud. But for private cloud, and hybrid is depending on the usage. Yesterday I was in Lucknow in a TCS meet, तो वहाँ पे कुछ cloud computing के ऊपर lectures हो रहे थे. So a person from TCS said that they are working, they have worked with a bank and which is moving to a cloud. So I asked him that which is that bank. So he was unable to answer it, although he was saying that they are TCS is working. A company like TCS was sharing his view. So friends, banks are not moving to clouds. Security issues are there. Therefore, the topic information security. For it, you all are there for that security issues. But security, because of the security issues, banks and e-commerce sites. You must have heard, मेरे से ज़्यादा जानते हो आप लोगों को, Flipkart, Snapdeal, है ना? Crash हो गया था? Why? Reason? N number of users. अगर क्लाउड पे होता तो क्रैश नहीं होता. क्यों नहीं होता? अभी रीजन मिलेगा आगे चल के. आई होप मैंने इंक्लूड करा है उसे. नहीं होगा इंक्लूड तो ऐसे ही बता दूंगा. Now this Flipkart is now thinking to move on cloud. Is now thinking. Recently, 2 months back, the government website. आज से पहले हर कोई गाली देता था IRCTC को, है ना? 4 साल पहले हमने गवर्नमेंट को प्रपोजल भेजा था कि मूव IRCTC टू क्लाउड. अब 2 महीने पहले IRCTC क्लाउड पे मूव हुआ है, ठीक है ना? अब आपको कभी रिजर्वेशंस करते हुए प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती होगी इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड. और आने वाले टाइम में बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट हो रहा है उसमें, और फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड में मूव होगा उसमें. सो दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ क्लाउड. ये मैंने कुछ स्किप करा, पब्लिक प्राइवेट हाइब्रिड, बिकॉज आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू आर, if you want you can just there are 2 types of private cloud. One is on premise and second is externally hosted. It makes a difference from public and private. कुछ उसके बीच का निकाला. On premises मेरे ही premises में और मुझे ही सब कुछ मैनेज करना है, मुझे ही एक्सेस करना है. दूसरा मैंने कहा होगा तुम्हारे घर पे, पर एक्सेस सिर्फ मेरे पास होगी. So it becomes externally hosted private cloud. No one except the SRMS students can access this private cloud, but whole infrastructure is being situated at Royal Gun University. Infrastructure उसका है, पर एक्सेस कौन करेगा? SRMS वाले. तो आपके और रॉयल गन यूनिवर्सिटी के बीच में टाई अप हो गया, है ना? So they are the host and you are accessing it. So this is called externally hosted private cloud. Hybrid, I've already told. These are some of the benefits and the unique benefits for private cloud, hybrid cloud and public cloud. The business is the client. The service is maintained by the internal IT department using standardized and commoditized hardware